If you want to move your site from Wix to Hostinger, then here's how to do it step by step. So you need to first rebuild your Wix because it is a closed platform, so direct migration isn't possible. You'll need to recreate your site using WordPress or another CMS on Hostinger. After that, you need to log in to your Hostinger. Press on the hosting and add or select the WordPress. WordPress will now then go redirect you to this page right here. You just need to tap on customize your site. Then it will make you pick which settings would you want. Just pick one of these. Then it will have to customize you the general settings, which is the site title with which we will be doing just a test account and the tagline. After that is that it will need you to create a new theme or customize your site, which just add new, then customize it anything you want. Then that's it.